He's tired. He's smelling the camera.
So cute. Look at him.
But you should get text Valor from me.
All right. Are you gonna stay here for a while?
No, I'm gonna.
That's it. Is
Yeah,
that it?
that's my favourite animal. That's a meerkat, right, isn't it?
No, that's not a meerkat. It's a bituro. A meerkat is the
like
little
it.
one that goes like
Yeah,
that.
that's what I thought. Someone said it was a
That's
meerkat.
right.
I thought it was
No, a meerkat is this tiny.
Yeah, I agree, but they said
Yeah.
it's a Palawan meerkat or something.
Oh!
It's like,
You think it was a...
Ay, nagre-record pala eh.
Ay,
Hindi ko na-post eh.
Hindi mo na-post.
Well, i-edit naman natin yun. Ang dami nila oh.
Namatay po kasi magulang.
Naulila.
Yung nanay nalunod, tapos yung tatay pa matanda na rin.
Ano? Kaling yan.
May nag-deliver po, ma'am. Sa sulok, sir.
Porcupine.
Durian po sa Tagalog.
Parang bagay. Ito pakakipak sa itsura niya.
Porcupine yan, tumutusok yan pag nilapitan mo. Mukhang daga ba?
Ay, nakakatakot yung itsura niya. Nakakamasok. Local na Palawan po. Ay, ito pa. Isa. May hawak ba to? Natakot sa kawawa. Sure mo ako nandito ako. Kasi may tubig ako eh. Ay, huwag mo ako talunan. Tumulog ito. Hindi, yung forma ka dyan. Oh, cute! Nag-forma. Kapit ka. Yan. Oh, ang cute! Hello, nagpi-pretty eyes pa! Ay, nagpo-posing!
Doon ka, dali! Ano?
Hello! Pose, pretty eyes! Oh! Mukhang hindi